Hello everybody, today I'll be showing the ceiling fans in my house. Okay, first we have a Harbor Breeze Springfield 2. Then a chapter, I have no idea which one that is. Then, sorry, I'm turning the light back on. So then there's another chapter. We have 3 ceiling fans. Got a we got a Casablanca Hunter original